Let's now go to Foot Yang Ming Stomach Meridian. Let's discuss Stomach 9, Ren Ying, People Welcome. Foot Yang Ming Stomach Meridian. The Foot Yang Ming Stomach Meridian is located at the anterior margin of the sternocleidomastoid muscle at the level of the upper border of the thyroid cartilage. Stomach 9, Ren Ying, People Welcome, Persons Welcome, Man's Prognosis, Fivefold Confluence, Celestial Fivefold Confluence, Window of the Sky, Point of the Sea of Chi. As a window of the sky, this point strongly affects the spirit and mind, enabling the person to receive, to welcome others, life, and love. In a state of balance, a movement of earth within us goes from our center to the periphery. When deeply imbalanced, we forget to receive or to reach across to others. We shut down to our core, untrusting and feeling divorced from humanity. Suspicious of the motives of others and lacking empathy for all is a lonely and arid experience. People welcome refreshes the senses and allows in new experiences and ideas rather than staying with the self-absorption earth can fall into. When the patient is ready to open to change and possibilities, this can be a wonderful point. The reconnection with heavenly influxes allows us to align our intent with sincerity. Located near the larynx, which provides resonance for the voice, this point enables one to feel reconnected with the world, able to express needs and support the others' needs of others, swallow new ideas, and re enter into life. From stomach 9, the stomach meridian travels down, linking the head, the heavenly part of our being, with the upper torso, the person, humanity part of the body. In the Chinese division of the body into heaven, humanity, and earth, this heavenly point encourages us to embody our intent, our ideas, and manifest them through the body. As, is, as a seat of Qi point, Ling Shu 33, along with Ren 17, Bladder 10, or sometimes Do 15 and Do 14, people welcome can be used to regulate Qi. The text says that if this sea is replete, there may be fullness in the chest or abdomen, congestion, or a florid complexion. If deficient, there will be weakness and loss of voice. This combination is only called upon in chronic situations when the deep regulation and reserve at the sea can offer is necessary. Stomach 9 used to regulate chi, especially where there are imbalances with excess above and deficiency below. Stomach 9 removes obstructions from the head and sends chi downwards. It is used for regulating blood pressure, subduing rebellious chi of the stomach or lung, where there is hiccough, belching, or asthma. Locally, it benefits and regulates the throat. It removes masses, resolves swellings, and affects the throat, so it can be used to clear heat and swelling, affecting the stomach meridian, tonsillitis, swollen and sore throat, goiter, and painful obstruction in the throat, the pharyngitis. In indications, reconnects and re-enters as into the world and consciousness. Helpful in recovery from burnout. Regulate blood pressure, subdues rebellious cheese, the local point for pain and swelling in the throat. For the location, it is 1.5 con lateral to the anterior midline on the level of the laryngeal prominence and at the anterior border of the stomachleidomastoid muscle. To find from the laryngeal prominence, palpate posteriorly to the anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. The stomach 9 is located at the anterior border of the muscle, which becomes more clearly visible and palpable if the patient's head is turned in the opposite direction. Located on the same level are small intestine 16 on the posterior of the sternocleidomastoid muscle and large intestine 18 between the two heads of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. For needling, if necessary, move the head to its normal position before needling. Caution: the carotid artery, carotid sinus, jugular veins. The carotid artery is located directly at the anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. The needle should be inserted anterior to where you can feel the pulsating of the carotid artery, vertically 0.5 to 1 con between the artery and the thyroid cartilage. For reasons of safety, the artery should be held in a lateral position with one finger of the palpating hand above and one finger below the insertion site. Irritation of the carotid sinus can lead to a lowering of the blood pressure and fainting. For actions or indications, regulates the chi, opens the channel, and harmonizes excess or deficiency in the thorax. For special features, window of heaven point, sea of chi point, and meeting point with the gallbladder channel. Window of the sky, point of chi, crossing point of stomach and gallbladder. This is the only window of the sky point on either of the two Earth officials. Stomach 9 is a powerful point and is indicated if patients, particularly Earth CFs, have difficulty in accepting the concern, intimacy, sympathy, or even love shown to them by other people. As a point of the Sea of Chi, it can strongly energize this meridian, and it is said to help regulate blood pressure, the local point for throat disorders. Thank you for your attention.